Hello,
Hey, it's Ella.
I'm Bettina.
Now we're gonna do the popcorn challenge. See how much
What do
popcorn
we say,
can put in our
like,
mouths.
do they say chubby bunny? Do we just say
Popcorn.
Let's say pigeon-shaped microwave.
Let's do this.
It's gonna be hard to say. How many teeth in one? Oh.
Wait, how are we gonna count them? As we
I
put
think
them
it's
in?
just one who could last longer. Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave. Pigeon-shaped
Pigeon-shaped
microwave. Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave. Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave. Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Butter.
I'm not really feeling. Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave. Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave. Pigeon-shaped microwave.
What?
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave. What?
Pigeon-shaped microwave.
Pigeon-shaped microwave. Take 5. 1, 2, 3. That's it, that's 5. That was such a fail.
Pigeon-shaped microwave. It just dissolves in your mouth. It doesn't really work.
Pigeon.
Shaped.
Me.
Me.
Goodbye.
Would you like and subscribe? Because we'll give you popcorn.
Yeah,
And go around.
and a free hairbrush. You see it? You see it?
Subscribe. Comment. Like. Go.
But it is.